Today we're going to wire a HMF150 with the oil module and controls to complete the combination furnace. So here at the main control, we're going to connect up our blocked flue switch, or the WMO switch, to 11 and 2 to complete the circuit. And that can be done with a 2-wire. Then we're going to have the wire run from the thermostat, and we're going to need to run that to the 9 and 8 positions to complete the heating call. We'll show you how to wire the thermostat in a second. So in the lower 6x6 box, you'll find the A, B, and C harness. For the oil application, you're only required to use the A and the C harness. The wires come in the module kit. Again, just line up the Molex, snap them together. For the proper connection. The connection comes from the lower junction box, the C Molex, up to the burner. There is a wire management clip here. It's labeled with the ground, the neutral, and the live. So we just need to make these connections here, and then we're ready to button the system up. So this is the fan limit control for the oil side. It connects up to the A Molex in the lower 6x6 control box. The wires are labeled. You can see number 10, 14, 13, and 11. You do need to remove the jumper in between to isolate the circuit. The directions in the owner's manual indicate that you run the number 10 over to this section here. Locate the number 11 wire, comes over to the lower section over here. The 13 wire comes on the top right here. And the 14 wire, which is left, comes to the lower section right here. That completes the installation of the fan limit control.